A helpful guide to proper affiliate marketing techniques. Affiliate marketing is something that all webmasters should consider. It's never been easier to add affiliate links to your site. These come in all shapes and sizes too, so you can choose something that isn't too distracting. If you add decent videos to your site that relate somehow to the product or service, and post similar videos and comments on other websites and blogs, you can turn over a surprising amount of money. You don't even need to be a good writer. Many video writing services and software are now so affordable. Take a look at some more useful information on the subject in the following paragraphs. Always start with something you know if you're new to affiliate marketing. It is always easier to build a good site if the subject matter is something you're interested in. Try to immediately branch out too much and you will find the subject matter boring, and feeling too much like a dreaded task. Look for websites with good sales. If their rate of buyers is less than 1%, you may want to reconsider working with them. You get paid if people buy, and if people aren't buying from the website, it will not matter how many customers you send them. This ratio is an important one to consider when searching for affiliates. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, make certain that the affiliate program with which you join uses cookie tracking. This will ensure that you will be credited for all the purchases made by people who buy items on their second or subsequent visit to the affiliate company's site. Successful affiliate marketers work on a 4-to-1 formula for the best results. This simply means that 80% of their time online is spent marketing products and building up a strong base, while the other 20% is for goofing off or for checking out tutorial videos on how to market. The lion's share of your time should be devoted solely to working. As the most basic rule of thumb for affiliate marketers, you need to choose a quality product before you get started. If the product you're choosing to promote is of poor quality, your results are ultimately going to suffer. Go with a solid product that has a quality reputation behind it. If not, there is no point in putting in the effort. The tips above should create a good foundation for you to build a marketing plan. It's really not that difficult, so join the millions who are making money in this way. The more effort you put in, the more you can make. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.